equal to settings F8. Yeah, we are adding a formula to this side, and so when you go to the settings sheet, the cell which contains the name of the school is F8. So you type it here, press enter. You see, we want it to be in caps, so let's add upper. You bring your open bracket, then you close it. You close it. Okay, now let's lock it to prevent any so we lock it. Then let's go to the next. The next is the motto. The motto. Therefore, you select the entire cells here. You merge them. So after merging, you as usual you put a formula there, but this formula is different. We want the motto that is typed at the settings to appear here together with some words like motto, then colon. So first you bring your equal to, then open quotation, then motto, then colon. You bring space, then you bring closing quotation marks, then you bring your ampersand. Then after that you write your formula. Let's check in the settings sheet. Where can we find the motto? So it is this side, so we just click OK, then we are done. You see, yeah, okay, as usual we have entered our formula, but it seems that rise and shine we want it to be in caps, so let's add upper here. So upper, then bring your open quotation. Let's lock it. Let's lock it. Then we close it with a closing bracket. So that's how it has appeared. Now let's go to the next thing. The next thing is the address. So as usual we select the entire source under the motto. We merge and center. This one too, we want the address to start. Therefore we bring our equal to the open quotation, then we type address. Okay, we want the address to start. So as usual, we bring our quotation marks. We want a string or a letters to appear before the formula, so you bring your open quotation, then you write address, then colon, then you leave a space, then you add closing quotation, then you add ampersand, then we type our formula. Let's go to the settings sheet. Where is the address found? The address is found here, so select it. As usual, we want the address to be in what? caps. So let's add upper. So upper, open quotation, then let's lock it. Let's lock the cell. Then close. You use the closing bracket to end the formula. Then you click what? Okay, so we see the address. Okay, let's continue. After address, you have the telephone number. So as usual, we merge the entire cells involved. Okay, we merge the entire cells involved. Merge and center. Then we begin our formula. So we want what? A string to start, like telephone. So you bring your open quotation, then telephone, semicolon, you bring space, then you bring 0, then closing quotation marks, you bring your ampersand, then you type your formula. So where can you find the school number? Is here, school contact. So let's go to the settings sheet. We select the so you see it has appeared nicely over here. Let me check. Okay, then we leave a space and go to the next. We merge and center. Let me check what is written there. Pupils semester report. Let me unmerge it now. We are merging about 4 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me come here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so starting from here, we leave a space. We merge these cells. Then we write pupils semester report. This one we can fill the entire cell with the color fill. Let's make it black. Then we change the font color to white, like this. Okay, so this is how it will appear. Now let's go to the next. After that, we leave another space and we come here. So looking at this side, we will merge these two cells. We merge it. Then we type name of people. Name of people. We should bring colon. Name of people. Then let me check the next. Okay, the next is academic year. Academic year. Academic year. So as usual, you merge these two cells. Then we write academic year. Okay, we come to the next. The next is what? This semester ends. So as usual, we merge it. We type let's make let's ignore the upper. Let's make them proper. Oh, let's